dirt from hard surface and rugs in one shot. The spray function automatically moistens the rotating microfiber roller to pick up dirt up, while the water dirt mixture is continuously suctioned by the vacuum cleaner, leaving the floors dry and clean. So let's go ahead with the unboxing of Mop and Vac. So the box contains our vacuum cleaner, and we have a handle which need to be attached to main unit, a self-cleaning tray, clean and dirty water tanks are attached to vacuum cleaner. Then we have EuroClean multi-surface cleaning liquid and a user manual. This is a unique product in India for wet hard surface cleaning. There is no other close competitor for this product. If you talk about the specification, this vacuum cleaner is of 560 watt. The suction power of this vacuum cleaner is 32 air watts. The brush roller rotates at around 3000 rpm, which helps to clean the floor, and the weight of this vacuum cleaner is 5.2 kg. You feel this weight of this vacuum cleaner while moving this vacuum cleaner. The price of this vacuum cleaner is 21,990. It's 21,990 without any discount. I bought this vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes agent as it was not available on the Amazon. I tried to buy this vacuum cleaner via Eureka Forbes customer care, but there was no response from them for I guess 2 to 3 days. So I just finally contacted Eureka Forbes agent via my friend's reference and bought it from there. So it almost took 20 to 22 days for delivery of this vacuum cleaner. So let's talk about the assembling the vacuum cleaner. So first you need to fill clean water bottle as per your area. So there are two marks, one is for large area and one is for small area. It is present on the tank, and there is a mark for cleaning liquid that you need to be filled in this tank. You can see EuroClean multi-surface cleaning liquid, which came with the this product, and it can be added in the water clean water tank up to the mark which is mentioned on the tank. The Eureka Forbes agent also told me that some disinfectant liquid can be added instead of this liquid. So fill that water and liquid mixture in that clean water tank and just fit that tank till there is a notch sound comes up like this. So there is another dirty water tank. It consists of a container, then there is a filter, and there is a assembly which helps in stopping the vacuum cleaner if the dirty water is full. So full water indicator is mentioned on the tank. If dirty water is full, then it will just block the vacuum part and vacuum cleaner sound changes. So it's always good to throw the dirty water when there is a vacuum cleaner sound change occurs. Assemble the dirty water tank and fit the dirty water tank till the sound of a notch comes up like this. So there are two cleaning modes for this vacuum cleaner. One is for hard surface and another is for rugs. There is a button present for water spray under the handle. So the light will blink whenever you will just press that button for water spray. There is a notch again at the bottom which keeps the vacuum cleaner in vertical position. If you want to remove that vertical position, then you just press the vacuum cleaner with your feet and just pull back the handle. Then you can just move that vacuum cleaner in any other direction that you want. So I'll just show you some cleaning demo of this vacuum cleaner. So for testing purpose, I have just spread some dust, some tea and some ketchup on the floor. uh, then this is how the cleaning will look like. I'm just showing you the actual noise of this vacuum cleaner. Yeah, here it goes. So this is how the vacuum cleaner behaves for normal dust and hairs. And some paper pieces. Dust which is having a diameter more than 0.5 centimeter will not be collected by this vacuum cleaner. You need to lift this vacuum cleaner over that dust, then only it will just suck into this vacuum cleaner. You can just do the dry cleaning or wet cleaning. If you want to go for a wet cleaning, just keep on pressing the water spray button in interval of 10 second or 20 second to moisten the roller. Floor will be slightly wet and will be dry within few minutes after the cleaning. Vacuum cleaner roller brush will be completely dry within few minutes if you just keep this hard surface button on. After completion of cleaning, vacuum cleaner can be put onto the cleaning tray. Put some water in that cleaning tray and switch on the vacuum cleaner for 2 to 4 minutes. This will suck all the water into the vacuum cleaner and brush will be clean and dry within few minutes. To do this, you have to remove the vacuum cleaner from vertical position to start roller. If a vacuum cleaner is at the vertical position and switched on, it will not turn on the roller. You have to pull back the handle by pressing your feet on the vacuum cleaner. Then only the roller will start at some angle. So your cleaning is completed. Now remove the dirty water tank for cleaning. You can just see water is extremely dirty and this happens for every run. So you can just imagine how much dirt it removes from your floor. Now empty this water tank and remove all the dirt present in that tank. Also clean the filter and keep all these items in sunlight to get dry. Remove the roller brush cover and wash it. Both the cover and the brush can be kept in sunlight to get dry. So after using this vacuum cleaner for almost like 2 months, here are my pros and cons for this vacuum cleaner. So pros are, there is no bending required, there are no separate efforts required for mopping and dusting as both the things happen at one go. don't have to use any dirty mops. It is very easy to use and assemble. Easy to clean after mopping. It occupies very less space for storage, almost like 1.5 feet by half feet for storage. The wire length is very good, considering you can just plug that wire anywhere, and within a radius of like 3 to 4 meters you can just go. The vacuum cleaner is having IPX4 rating, which is protecting the vacuum cleaner from any splashes of water from any direction. And the vacuum cleaner is very safe in terms of assembly. We don't have to fear about any shocks and all. That's a good thing. So time is saved in cleaning activities, and cleaning is very quick if there are no obstacles. For around a 2 BHK of almost like a 600 to 800 square feet, it takes around 10 to 20 minutes for cleaning. Cleaning is good compared to hand cleaning. The floors looks very clean after cleaning with this vacuum cleaner. And in this difficult situations of COVID-19, it is very risky to have any outsider in your home. This vacuum cleaner is of great help. Then this vacuum cleaner is having a good suction power, which is almost like 32 air watt, and it sucks the water mixed dust very effectively. There is a different water tank for clean and dirty water, which is again a good thing for this. So some of the disadvantages of this vacuum cleaner are as follows. So approximately half an inch to 1 inch of the side corner is not cleaned by this vacuum cleaner. Wire length is very long and it is not auto windable. Sometimes it gets in between while cleaning the floor. Then this vacuum cleaner is very noisy, almost around 60 to 65 decibels of sound. It does not pick up a big piece of dust like greater than 0.5 to 1 centimeter. And the last is this vacuum cleaner feels a bit costly, but compared to its uniqueness, it is acceptable. So final conclusion. So Eureka 4 Mop and Vac vacuum cleaner is a unique and useful product which does mopping and dusting at one go. If you are thinking about cleaning your home without a maid, then it's a good solution to your problem. One can definitely go for this product considering all those advantages. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video who's just looking for such kind of product. Thank you.